In a world where business never sleeps, having the right tools at your disposal is essential. Introducing HP's newest innovation, the 15.6-inch FHD Essential Business Laptop. Designed to empower your productivity and elevate your business game. This laptop is a game-changer for professionals like you. Join us as we dive into the world of next-level business computing with HP's latest offering. Let's unlock the potential of your business together. Imagine a laptop that can keep up with your busiest days, effortlessly handling all your tasks with lightning-fast speed and precision. With the Intel Core i5-1135 G7 processor, backed by 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 1 TB storage, the HP Essential Laptop is a powerhouse of performance. But power is just one part of the equation. Connectivity is crucial in today's digital landscape. That's why HP has equipped this laptop with essential ports like an SD card reader, HDMI, Ethernet, webcam, and USB-C, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. And let's not forget about security and convenience. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you get the latest features designed to protect your data and streamline your workflow. Say goodbye to downtime and hello to seamless productivity. Whether you're in the office, on the go, or working from home, the HP Essential Laptop is your reliable partner in success. It's time to unleash your full potential and take your business to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of business computing with HP's newest Essential Laptop. Ready to experience the power of productivity firsthand? Visit our website or your nearest retailer today and elevate your business game with HP. Don't settle for mediocrity when greatness is within reach. Upgrade to the HP Essential Laptop and unleash your full potential. Until next time, stay productive, stay inspired, and keep conquering new horizons.